Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add staff account in Shopify. For that you need to be logged into your Shopify dashboard. Then go to settings, then user and permissions in Shopify settings, and then you'll see the option to add the staff account. And the number of staff you can add in Shopify store depends upon your Shopify plan. So I'm going to show you how to add one. So click on add staff button, then write down the name. For example, I am writing app work IT solutions, and then I'm going to add the email which I need to add as a staff. So let's say designer@appwork.com, and then we have the option to select the store permissions, expand all these permissions to check in detail like which permissions you want to share with your staff member, etc. Or you can select everything in a go and uncheck later on, like draft orders. You do not want to share the draft orders, and the customer information, maybe analytics, marketing, or let's say app permissions. And then I do not want to share the finance details. And you can select the app permissions at the very bottom, like manage and install app channels and approve the app charges. Once you're done selecting all the permissions for a staff member, you just have to scroll down and send the invite. So a person with the email designer@apple.com will have the invite email at their email account. That's how you add someone as a staff. Thank you.